Alright, here we're up at Akumba property, working up here. So, it's kind of late in the day, sun's going down. It's time to get up and work. I got some sleep, cleaned up a little bit the other night, so got a little sleep last night up here. So we're over here working on the emptying stuff out. So, anyway, it's a nice balmy 106 degrees today up here. I would pick the hottest time of the year to come up here and work, but oh well. So we got a few loads of stuff unloaded here out of the motorhome. Was that U-Haul? Yeah, same thing. So I got to put all this crap away. It's a pretty good mountain of junk over here. So getting filled in. This here's 2 trailer fulls here waiting to be unloaded. Here's all the desks and workbenches that came out. Another big stack over there from the week before I hauled out of here. So, pretty good load of junk. So, it's pretty hot. So when the sun goes down behind that mountain, it gets, temperature drops down about 10-15 degrees, it becomes more usable. Get down to the 90s, it's more usable for working. So pretty much slept all morning. I worked until about 8 in the morning, sun was up. So, went to sleep. Woke up around, I don't remember what time I woke up, about 2:30ish, I think. Got a few hours in there. So there's my mountain behind me, you can see because it's not dark out. So, anyway, we're just kind of, I got to put all this stuff away, get out of the weather. It's out of the weather more or less anyway, but anyway, we just got to work, get all the stuff put away. Eventually I might put the building down in this area here, I'm not sure. It's pretty much a, what are we, 40-foot containers with a 20-foot gap in between them. So 80 by 40. I say 80, it's 100 by 40. We lost 10 foot over that side, so it's 90 by 40. So you got a pretty good area here to build from if we want to. It's relatively flat here because we've been working on it over the years. But anyway, that's the project. I'm not in my building, so I don't have to worry about landlord down there no more. It's all gone. I'll go deal with him here in a couple days and do the final paperwork and shuffle and whatever you got to do with him to pacify him and out of there. That's a big relief, believe me. So anyway, so that's where we're at. So I'm gonna go attack this again today. I was up here a day already working. Well, night. I worked all night. So we got this all unloaded. It took a whole day. It was like 9 hours to unload, they said. So, definitely a lot of junk. Anyway, that's where we're at. That's our update. We'll keep plugging around, getting stuff done. I'll let you know where we're at as we're doing it. So talk to you later.